To begin copy trading on BullX Neo, first, you need to create a BullX account. Once you have an account, you'll need to find a wallet address to copy trade. You can find a wallet by looking at the holders of a specific coin and clicking on one that appears. To be high quality, it's essential to choose a reputable wallet, as this will be the basis for your copy trading. To copy the wallet address, simply click on it and then copy the address. You can then view the wallet's activity, including total revenue, total spend, and most profitable active positions. Next, go to the Trojan website and launch the Telegram bot. If you have the desktop version of the Telegram app, you can click Start Bot to open it, or you can use the web version. Once you're inside the Trojan bot, hover over the menu and click on Start. You'll then have the option to connect your wallet or create a new one. After connecting your wallet, click on Copy Trade and select your wallet. Then, click on New to create a new copy trade. You'll need to give your copy trade a name or tag, and then enter the target wallet address that you copied earlier. Make sure to use a high-quality wallet that you actually want to copy trade. Once you've set the target wallet, you'll need to configure a few more settings, including the order size by percentage, gas fees, and slippage. You can also access advanced features, such as extending or selecting auto sell options. By following these steps, you can set up copy trading on BullX Neo. It's crucial to use a reputable wallet and to carefully configure your settings to ensure successful copy trading.